Wondering where your degree will take you? With GVI, the answer is anywhere. With a GVI conservation program abroad, you get to take your learning beyond the lecture hall. This is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to travel, get real-world experience, develop hands-on skills, and boost your CV to land your dream job. We have more than 20 research stations across the world where conservationists, biologists, and scientists collaborate with local partners on wildlife and marine conservation projects. You'll get guidance from experts, access to datasets, and a career guarantee. Most days start very early, with a cup of coffee or tea and the sounds of nature all around you. Mornings mean fieldwork, depending on your location and program. You could be hiking through the Amazon forest in Peru to set up camera traps, scanning the Atlantic Ocean for short-finned pilot whales in Tenerife, tracking cheetahs across the African savanna using telemetry, snorkeling in Greece to monitor endangered sea turtles, or even diving to work on coral restoration projects in the waters of the Seychelles. To name a few, back at base, food is usually a team affair. You'll cook together and get the chance to immerse yourself in the culture and taste authentic local flavors. Afternoons, you'll apply what you've learned, from data analysis and population counts to report writing and behavioral observations. You could also be attending lectures and training sessions or head out for another fieldwork opportunity. You'll also have time to work on your own academic project. In the evenings, you'll connect with fellow participants from all over the world, share insights, watch a movie, read, play some games, or just unwind. Experience the world around you, visit attractions, explore food markets, and go on adventures.
So I was doing my master's and also did this internship, and I just looked and it aligned with so many different values and different kind of research that I wanted to do. The program that was offered was just so aligned with what I wanted, but also the people who were there. So it was a massive aspect of that I got to meet so many like-minded people. Just kept going back to GVI for a couple of times. It was a really good way that I could navigate my career path.
Your program will be jam-packed with research, project work, and learning while having the time of your life in an extraordinary location. The best part? All students are invited to apply for a GVI Foundation Grant that could cover up to 80% of your program fees. This is your chance to get one step closer to your dream career in conservation.